Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by disconnecting the battery and waiting 10 minutes. This prevents accidental airbag deployment and protects electronics. Next, remove the airbag module and center nut. Keep screws organized because reassembly matters. Mark the steering wheel and clock spring orientation with a permanent marker so the alignment stays correct. Once the hub is free, pull the wheel straight off splines, avoiding side-to-side force to not damage wiring. These steps set you up to remove the old clock spring safely and keep steering alignment intact. You now unplug connectors and depress release tabs. Take photos if connectors are tight because the wiring routing is critical. Remove the old clock spring and lay it next to the new one to confirm part number and pin alignment. This avoids mistakes. Install the new clock spring in the exact centering position. Most units have a locking pin or tape. Keep it locked. Once seated, reconnect the harness gently and verify the ribbon cable isn't twisted. Make sure the unit moves smoothly through its travel to confirm correct fitment. You refit the steering wheel using the marks you made, then torque the center nut to factory specs. This keeps alignment and safety intact. Reconnect the airbag module and all connectors, then reconnect the battery. Once power is restored, test horn, steering wheel buttons, and airbag indicator. Cycle the wheel through full lock-to-lock to ensure no rubbing or error lights. If the airbag light or codes appear, scan for faults and, if needed, recenter the clock spring following the manufacturer procedure. This usually solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.